Have you ever spent a long time writing an email, preparing a report, organizing ideas, or searching for the right words? Many professionals spend hours every week on tasks that could be completed much faster. This is where ChatGPT can help. But there is one important question. Are you using ChatGPT as just a chatbot? Or are you using it as a professional work tool? In this video, you'll learn how professionals can use ChatGPT to save time, improve their work, and become more productive. And most importantly, you'll learn how to use it the right way. Let's start. The first important thing to understand is this. ChatGPT is not here to replace your thinking. It is here to help you think, create, organize, and work faster. Professionals can use ChatGPT for many everyday tasks, including writing, brainstorming, research, summarizing information, and analyzing data. The first way to use ChatGPT is for professional writing. Imagine you need to write an important email. You know what you want to say, but you are not sure how to write it professionally. Instead of staring at a blank screen, give ChatGPT the necessary information. Tell it who the email is for, explain the purpose, and tell it what tone you want. For example, you can say, "Write a short and professional email to my manager about a project delay." Keep the tone polite and confident. ChatGPT can help you create the first draft. But remember, don't copy and send everything immediately. Read it, check the details, and make sure it sounds like you. ChatGPT can help create and improve workplace writing, but your judgment should always make the final decision. The second powerful use is brainstorming. Sometimes the problem is not that you have no ideas. The problem is that you have too many ideas and don't know where to start. Imagine you're planning a marketing campaign, presentation, project, or business idea. You can give ChatGPT your goal and ask it to suggest different approaches. For example, I want to create a marketing campaign for a new online course. Give me 5 different campaign ideas for young professionals. Now you have a starting point. You don't have to use every idea. Choose the useful ones, improve them, and combine them with your own experience. ChatGPT can give you options quickly, but you are still responsible for choosing the best option. Another useful way professionals can use ChatGPT is to summarize information. Imagine receiving a long report. You don't always have time to read every page immediately. You can ask ChatGPT to help you identify the main points. You can say, "Summarize this document into 5 key points and explain the main conclusion." This can help you understand information faster. You can also ask it to explain difficult information in simple English. But here is something you should never forget. If the information is important, always check the original source. ChatGPT can help you understand and organize information, but important decisions should not depend only on an AI summary. File and document tools can support summarizing, comparing, transforming, and extracting information from uploaded material. Now let's talk about another powerful use, improving your work. Suppose you have already written something. Maybe it's an email, a report, a presentation, or a proposal. Instead of asking ChatGPT to do everything from the beginning, give it your draft. Then ask questions like, "Make this clearer, remove unnecessary words, make this sound more professional, explain this in simple English, find weak points in this argument." This can be more useful than asking AI to create everything for you. Because you start with your own thinking, then use AI to improve it. Another useful skill is using ChatGPT to organize your ideas and tasks. Imagine you have several tasks to complete: a meeting, a report, emails, research, and a deadline. You can explain your situation and ask ChatGPT to help you create a simple plan. For example, "I have 4 important tasks to complete this week. Help me organize them based on priority and deadline." It can help you create structure, but remember, only you know your real priorities. AI can suggest a plan. You decide what actually works. Now, there is one skill that can completely change your results: giving clear instructions. Many people say, "Write something about marketing," and then they are disappointed with the answer. The problem is often not the AI. The problem is the instruction. Instead of giving a short and unclear request, give context. Explain your goal, explain your audience, explain the format you need, and explain the tone. For example, create a short presentation outline about digital marketing for small business owners. Use simple language and include 5 practical points. Now ChatGPT understands what you need. The better your instructions are, the more useful the first result can become. But let's talk about the biggest mistake: trusting ChatGPT blindly. ChatGPT can make mistakes. It can misunderstand your request, It can give incorrect information, and sometimes the answer may sound confident even when it needs checking. So never assume that every answer is automatically correct. For important facts, research, numbers, dates, business decisions, or professional documents, verify the information. Use trusted sources. Check important details. AI is fast, but fast does not always mean correct. The smartest professionals will not simply ask AI to do their work. They will learn how to work with AI. Here's a simple method you can remember. First, think. Understand your problem. Second, ask. Give ChatGPT clear instructions. Third, review. Check the result carefully. Finally, improve. Add your knowledge, experience, and judgment. This is how ChatGPT becomes a useful professional tool, instead of something you depend on blindly. Let's quickly review. Use ChatGPT to improve your writing. Use it to brainstorm ideas. Use it to summarize information. Use it to improve your existing work. Use it to organize ideas and tasks. And give clear instructions, but always review important information. ChatGPT is becoming part of everyday professional work across many industries, helping people with tasks ranging from writing and brainstorming to research and data analysis. The professionals who benefit the most will not be the people who let AI do everything. They will be the people who learn how to combine AI with their own skills. So don't ask, will AI replace me? Ask yourself, how can I use AI to become better at what I do? That question can make a big difference in your professional future. If you found this video helpful, tell me in the comments. What is the first professional task you would use ChatGPT for? And if you want more practical videos about AI for professionals, business, career success, professional communication, productivity, cybersecurity, and future skills, subscribe to Future Skill Hub. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.